I look around at the different areas and the different creations and innovations. I get really excited because you've got such a variance and so many of them are marketable. My advice to those today is be confident, but be brave as well. I wish the students here tonight all the best and look forward to seeing their innovations in the future.
So our project is the Sports and Entertainment Analysis System. We have a camera here mounted to pan and tilt. This will track players on a baseball field using a wearable device which collects data about the player, including motion, acceleration, velocity. We're getting a live stream of the video so people at home can watch.
Our project focused on reactive soils in the Geelong region. These soils expand when water is added to them and shrink when water is removed. This puts large forces on infrastructure built above it, such as roads and houses. Our research then went on to look at suggestions and recommendations on how to minimise this damage and how to minimise the soil movement.
What we're trying to do is look at these precast facade panels in a typical multi-storey building. A normal building is designed so that the core elements resist about 100% of the lateral loads, which are the earthquake and wind loads. We have developed a model that will allow us to input some earthquake data, the building properties and the connection properties, so that we can come up with a graph that will show us the time that connections will fail.
My name is Jing, and that's my final year project, remotely underwater vehicle, and it's for like deep water navigation for collecting variation of data. I can have an accelerometer inside, so I can actually monitor the X and Y axis, and also the voltage of the battery.
I was blown away by the quality of the projects and the diversity of the problems. I think the students have done a wonderful job, and so too the industry partners, La Trobe partners and staff. Truly a great effort. It's the best way for them to demonstrate their technical skills, communication, teamwork ability, which is very important in industry. It really does give them a foot in the door, and I think it's a fantastic opportunity for them.
With all the amazing new innovations that are coming out and all the increases in technology, then it's definitely important that we liaise, with La Trobe and with universities, so we get the best possible outcomes. It's really nice to see their enthusiasm and all the innovations that are here. It's great.
I went to La Trobe 21 years ago, I think it was, and the advancement in the project since then is amazing. And just the level of technology, I've seen electric vehicles, I've seen helicopters, I've seen all sorts of applications, so very impressive.
Love the showcase. Their projects are really practical, really hands-on, and that's the sort of stuff that an employer wants to see.
I think the most surprising thing tonight for me would have been that how students are able to actually identify specific aspects of the problem that need more attention, more refined solutions to add value to the end product that can be delivered to an end user.
I must say I'm particularly impressed this year with the level of innovation and the project's outcomes that have come out from this year. I have no doubt the La Trobe graduates coming out of this particular year and previous years that we've sponsored this event, but the quality of graduates out of La Trobe at the moment is fantastic and first class.